So welcome back everyone, Mike here, and happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving morning, about 7:30, 7:45. I'm out here on the property with some friends of ours, doing a little turkey hunting. Actually, we're just taking our shotguns for a walk, but it's a pretty nice day for that. We're not counting on one of these turkeys though, we already have one ready for dinner tonight. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning. We're gonna hunt for maybe another hour and a half or so, see if we run into any birds, and then maybe cut a little firewood. And I got to get ready for a little project on Saturday. But anyway, I'll see you in a bit. So no turkeys this morning, but we did see a bunch of deer. So on Monday, the first day of deer season, it'll probably be the other way around. Those turkeys around here, you know, you can go out in the woods one day, you'll see 25 or 30 of them, but they just kind of have about a 1 or 2 mile area, it seems, that flock that's around here. And you can just follow them through the woods, man. They leave a path of destruction. They're like chickens, but much, much bigger. You know, they're ripping up all the leaves and eating and just working their way through the woods, and you can kind of follow them, but they weren't here today. But anyway, now I'm just kind of organizing some things down here, splitting some firewood, getting some things cleaned up. I'm going to move some baskets around, but it is Thanksgiving, and I want to wish everybody a very happy Thanksgiving. I'm telling you, it is one of my favorite holidays. Just kind of relax, you spend time with your family. It's just a great time of year around here, and we really enjoy it. I can't even name everything I'm thankful for, because it's just about everything in my life. I mean, my family, my job, our property, all my friends. We're really fortunate and really blessed, and I'm very thankful for everything. So in the comments below, if you don't mind, let me know what you're thankful for. And it's a good time of year just to kind of reflect and relax and recharge and get ready for Christmas. Now, Christmas is a great holiday, but it's a lot more stressful around here than Thanksgiving. This is just a relaxing, nice time of year. I really enjoy it. So now I'm going to fire up the RK55, move some baskets out of the way. When I'm cutting firewood and splitting, you kind of get things all organized, but it doesn't take long at all. You got things in the way, and it's just kind of a big mess. So I like to kind of keep things cleaned up as I go. And those IBC totes, they work really, really well. So I'll set them out of the way. Won't have to touch them until somebody wants that firewood, so that's pretty nice. And then I will be splitting here probably tomorrow. Now, it's supposed to be really cold the rest of today. It's like 20 right now, and it's perfect for me. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'd like if it was 60 degrees, but it has been so wet, so much rain, a little bit of snow. The ground's just saturated, but at least when it's like this, you're not getting mud on everything, you're not tearing everything up. So I think tomorrow morning, Friday morning, I may take the RK37 out in the woods. Should be frozen enough for that, at least till about noon. So in the morning I can get some things done. I want to clean up some brush piles. I got a little section of trail that I want to finish. It's like a loop. I'll show you that tomorrow, but I'll put the brush hog on. Kind of a weird time of year to be brush hogging, but I'll clean up all the logs with a grapple, brush hog some things down, smooth it up a little bit, and I'll at least complete that loop that I want to do. And that'll be ready for deer season. Nice little path to walk out there. So that's kind of what I got going on. I'm going to move these baskets around, and then probably in about an hour or so, we're going to eat some turkey and then take a nap. Be a perfect day. something else that I'm thankful for is everybody that watches this channel and comments below. We uploaded our first video about 2 years ago, and I didn't really start uploading on a regular basis till about 1.5 years ago, and it has been a pretty wild ride. It really has. I never envisioned that the channel would grow as much as it has, and I'm thankful for all of you for making that happen. And it's pretty neat. There's a lot of people that have been here, like literally I can remember all the names. They still comment, and it's been a lot of fun. I feel like I know all these people, although, you know, most of them we never met. We had some meetups and things like that, maybe met, I don't know, 200 or 300 people so far that actually watch the channel. But there's people from all over the world, and it's pretty cool. We all kind of have the same interests, you know, would much rather be out here on a day like this than pretty much anywhere else. At least that's how I am. But anyway, I hope everybody has a fantastic Thanksgiving, and if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.